Now we are going to focus on the motion of the fingers when plucking the strings. When we pluck the thumb, we want it to swoop down towards the ground or towards our other fingers. Now this doesn't need to be exaggerated like this. It should be subtle. Once we pluck the string, we want to prepare for the next string that we will be playing by hovering over that string, like so. We would do this as well with the index, middle, and ring fingers. When we pluck the index finger on the third string, we want to make sure that the finger is going towards the palm and that we are not pulling up on the string, but coming inward, which is going to allow us to have a warmer tone and prevent us from having any hesitation of the finger following through the string. So let's go ahead and pluck the index finger on the third string. Let's go ahead and pluck the index finger on the third string. The middle on the second. And the ring on the first string. All together, index third, middle second, and ring first. It's important to note that you do not want to rest the fingers all at the same time when doing these exercises. You want to play them as free strokes, which is when the finger plucks the string and remains in the air without touching another string after the one that was just plucked. If you're finding that you're having a hard time reverting back to the strings after doing a free stroke, you can work on a string stopping technique, which is where the finger will pluck the string and then rest back on the string you just plucked. So again, I did that with the index finger on the third string. I plucked the string, reverted back, and stopped it. You can do this on each finger and then practice doing it as a free stroke without resting on the string you just plucked. Eventually your fingers will build the muscle memory and you will revert back to the string. If you're serious about developing your fingerstyle technique as efficiently as possible, you can download the full practice package for this workout by visiting our Patreon page at the link below.